Get up. It's time to do farm chores. Good morning. Good morning. Uh-uh. 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 It's too early for it today, Wookie. It's too early. Good morning. How the hell are you out? Houdini, you're not supposed to be out here. Come on, grandbabies. Good morning. Come on, good morning. Good morning, Retta. Good morning, Ruru. Good morning, Fluffy. Good morning, sister. Come on, Wednesday. Bam, Bam. Bam, Bam, where is your damn baby? There's your baby. Good morning, everybody. Hello, hello, hello. Hello. There you go. Let's go feed the baby mama. Cause this hoe won't get off the damn coop. She act like she gotta have a baby. Bam, Bam, get off the damn box. Your ass is so little you can't even have no damn egg. Come on. Uh-oh, my coochie gonna fall out. You peck me, I'm knocking you the hell out. I want you to be prepared for it now, okay? Do you understand me? Do you understand me? Look at all them damn eggs you hoarding under there. 1 egg for girl. 2 eggs for me. Here, get up off the coop for a minute. You need to go eat. Go eat some breakfast. Go eat some breakfast. Girl, get your ass up. Come on. Talk to your mama, cause I ain't listening. Stop. You little dusty bitch. Here. Here. Would you like to see my garden? Let me show you. I am a master gardener, as you can tell. Oh shit. Something got one of my chickens. Oh my damn. Oh no. Anyways, as long as it wasn't Fluffy. This is my garden. It is here by accident because I can't grow shit. But this is my horse shit pile. And apparently there is pumpkins growing in it. So, if you would like a pumpkin from the organic pile of horse shit, there's a bountiful plenty. How did y'all get 8? Somebody got left out. Good morning. Sister, get your ass at the damn feed. This is not the day or the time. Get your ass down. Wookie, don't pull on my damn gate. Damn, it's hot out here. My fingernails sweating. Mama. Quit fucking with her. She got there first. Pearl, leave her alone before I beat your ass. It's so damn ghetto around here. Good morning. Good morning. Hello, Winnie. Hello, Winston. Come on. Come on, come on, come on. Trip me up again and I'm gonna turn your ass into bacon bits. Quit. Winston, sit. Winston, sit. Good boy. Winnie, come on. Tubby ass. She ain't real smart. She don't know how to sit. Good morning, ladies. Good morning, ladybugs. Hello, goats. Back up, TT. TT, back up. TT, back up. You don't understand English? Back up. You had to just piss like that. Come on. Hey, little babies. You want to meet my babies? Could y'all chill the fuck out? Damn. Come here, babies. Come. I said come here, ho. This is Dallas. Dallas was born the day that I went to Dallas for 2 comedy shows. I was performing in Dallas, and they were all born the morning I left. So we named this one Dallas. Then we got, excuse me, got your little ass. Stop. Stop. I will beat your ass. Pedro, I think. Yeah, I think it's got a tallywhacker. And Buck, I think. No, this one's Dallas. She ain't got no tallywhacker. That one is this one's Dallas, the girl. This is Dallas, Pedro, and Buck. Welcome to the world. No, Pearl. Do not get in that damn hay. This is not the Winter Olympics. Get off the damn barn, Pearl. Pearl. Bitch, you going to Chick-fil-A. Pearl, get out of the damn hay. This is not your... Get out. Get your little ass out. Come on. Thank you. Goodbye. Have a great day. Dusty hoe. Shit is hot. I got to fan my coochie. Get out the way so I can go clean your shit piles. Y'all stink. Bam, bam, I'm not starting with you today. Loud ass bitch. Keep on. When your ass is a little damn chick nugget, I don't want to hear it. You won't even make it to damn Chick-fil-A, honey. I'll take you to McDonald's. You'll be a whole 4-piece. You know what I think is so funny? That people think my life is so glamorous. And yet here I am, shoveling chicken shit. Have a farm, they said. It'll be fun, they said. Well, guess what? They fucking lied. I hate it here. Ruru, quit hunching everybody. Oh. So fucking glamorous, right? When this thing get to thingin'.